Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a website preloader that works in between pages as well. Let's get right into it. So I have a preloader here, takes up the full width and height of the screen, and behind it is just a link to the next page. Let me show you real quick. Yeah. So let's start with the preloader. I'm going to write this function, function preloader. What this is gonna do is gonna add an event listener to the window. So whenever the page loads on load, we're gonna run this function that removes the preloader. So we're gonna call preloader out. Let's write that function. Preloader out. What we want to do is transition that preloader out, translate it upwards. So we're gonna get the preloader, document query selector. I think I called it preloader container. We're gonna translate that upwards. So dot style dot transform. The translate, we're gonna translate it y -100 degrees, and then we're gonna call the function preloader. Takes it out. The page is so small it's gonna take milliseconds to load, so we're gonna set a timeout, delay it a bit so it looks smoother. Timeout 1000 milliseconds. Then we're gonna call the function. Let's see that. Waits a bit, then moves. Alright. Now for the interpage loader, how this is gonna work is we're gonna bring back the preloader, and then we're gonna change the location of the page, this thing up here. So let's write the function interpage loader. We're gonna get every anchor tag on the page. Anchors equals document the query selector all anchor tags. So for each of these anchors, what we're gonna do is add an event listener. So on click, we're gonna run this function. So what we need to do is prevent the page from automatically changing the location as soon as we click it. So we say e.prevent default. That's gonna stop the anchor tag from working. So what we need to do is set a timeout for how long the animation is. My transition is simple, 1 second. So we're gonna set a timeout. Set timeout. After 1 second or 1000 milliseconds, we're gonna change the location of the page back to what we wanted to. So anchor, so window dot location dot href equals the anchor href. So before that, we need to actually bring back the preloader. So we're gonna call a new function called preloader in. We're gonna make that right here, preloader in. The same thing we did here, but except we're gonna bring it back to its original position, which is 0. So let's also call interpage loader, and that should work. Let's see it. Beautiful. As soon as I click the page, transition happens. It delays the change of the anchor tag. Then we're back in the next page. The cycle repeats. That's it for this. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Show some support. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.